Welcome back to lesson 11 of 5 Minute with Chun. In the last class we looked at the ABC part of the system, or the whole system, and how that becomes a physical sense of poetry or a kinesthetic melody. So linking that to the Fibonacci sets that we looked at, we can see that as another expression of a kinesthetic melody. So if we're working from the bu, the lap, here to the elbow, to the elbow, to the bu cell, to the Poon cell, back down to the elbow here. And remember, when we get the elbow position, remember to keep this still locked in and working through. Then we get the punch, punch, and Kwun. Okay, so do that again here. Get the position, bu cell, lap, da, elbow, right, elbow, bu cell, Poon cell, okay. Then I drop, as you can see, continuing the motion for elbow, punch, punch, Kwun, okay. Once again from the front very quickly. So, bu, lap, da, elbow, continuing the motion, elbow, bu cell, Poon cell. See, still continuing the motion, dropping in for the elbow, punch, punch, and Kwun. So that's a continuous motion of the Fibonacci sets. So I was doing 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 1, 2, 3. But we can also reverse this. A bit more challenging, but we have to just see this now, looking at it in reverse. So when we see this in reverse, same thing. 1, 2, 3 with a Kwun. 1, 2, 1. Then remember it's 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. And then once again it is 1, 1, 1. Okay, so that's it in reverse. So looking at it with a bit more fluidity. So 1. Okay, so that's the in reverse. So when you're working the Fibonacci set, to give it a lot more fluidity and a lot more motion through the body, and to get this kinesthetic melody, this physical poetry, always mix them up and experiment with it. Where can I put each technique? Where does it naturally want to go? So the last thing we're going to look at is how we get the springing in Wing Chun, basically getting it to deliver mass into our opponent. Okay, so I want you to really think of here is get into your walking step again, so we can find your distance of route. Turn the heels out and then clench the butt to relax down. Okay, basically when you clench it down, you can see it's pushing everything down. Okay, when I release at the butt and sphincter, it relaxes and I rise up. So what you to do with the ball this time is to imagine that the ball is inflatable and you stood in water about chest up to chest height. Okay, so what you're doing here is bringing the elbows in and clenching the butt to push the ball through the water, and then we're basically relaxing at the butt and allowing it to pop up, basically like floating on top of the water, down and up. Okay, and this is the springing motion to deliver mass. Okay, the more fluid you can make this, a really good workout for the legs. Okay, but remember to do this for 5 minutes on its own. So thanks for coming back for lesson 11. I hope you come back for lesson 12, and very happy training.